Hello good people and welcome to Finex Skills Hub. Here we learn, we connect and we grow. If you have joined us in the last few videos, we've been exploring how to use Gemini, Google's generative AI tool, first to analyze data, to create dashboards. But in this video, we want to see if it can help us create an editable PowerPoint presentation in 5 minutes. So if you are game, join me and let's get started. Right, so I'm starting with Gemini. I'm using the Pro version. If you're on the AI Plus version too, this should be possible. So what we are going to do is to begin with a prompt. Now, there's a standard way to write prompts, right? Because these large language models have a lot of tokens of knowledge. It is helpful sometimes to give it what we call a persona, a character, so that it can use that to be a bit more specific in delivering or giving you the output that you expect. So there's an acronym you can use if you want to prompt better. So to make it easier for you to remember, you can remember it using the acronym PARTS, PARTS, right? So the first one is persona. Give it an identity, or you can start with your role. Either way, it makes it focused so that it doesn't really cast the net wide, okay? Give it what you expect, your aim, the audience, the kind of people who will be reading the output, the theme, that's the style, the tone, any related parameters, and then the structure, what you want, right? So we will be using this template to prompt. I've already put together that prompt and I'm going to share it with you. So we basically are going to start with a prompt that will generate the outline for our topic. Right, so based on that same structure, we've put together the standard prompt, a sample prompt that can guide you. Right, so I'm going to paste that prompt here. So for starters, we are hoping to get the outline for the topic that I've already described. So basically the presentation is going to be about modern work using AI and data. And I'm looking for the outline for a 10-slide presentation. Right. So for persona, I'm asking it to act as an expert digital transformation consultant and corporate trainer. The thing is that for these large language models, there are lots of tokens of knowledge. So you need to give it something for it to align and then give you the response that will be a bit more focused. Okay. So it takes on that role as a digital transformation consultant and corporate trainer. So our aim is to create a comprehensive, logical, and high-impact outline for a 10-slide presentation. The goal is to show professionals how to transition from manual workflows to AI data. That is the aim. For our recipients, we are targeting corporate professionals, finance managers, and data analysts who are familiar with basic office tools but need to modernize their toolkit to remain competitive in 2026. The theme, modern tools for work beyond the basics. The tone should be forward-thinking, professional and practical. Focus on the synergy between generative AI for content and logic and data tools, right? And for our structure, which is very important, we've given it the details for each slide. So please provide the outline for 10 slides. For each slide, include the title slide, the key talking points, visual suggestions, and all that, right? In some cases, this will be enough, but if you want to be a bit more detailed, you can give it specific titles for each slide. Okay, so this has used the parts template, right? You can modify and make it simpler, but I'll leave a copy in the video description, right? So this is what we have. Let's see what we get. I'm going to commit this. So it goes to the outline. So this is slide 1. Okay, it gives me the key points here. Then in slide 2, it gives me the key points here. It even includes visual suggestions, okay? So slide 3 and so on. So this is the first step, just getting the outline. If you already have your outline, all the better, because you can now take this outline, break it into the slides, and then go to the second step, which we are going to do, right? So this is slide 5 all the way to slide 10, right? So this is what we have. Now, here's the catch. Because we are using Gemini, Gemini has a lot of tools here, okay? We are going to use this canvas tool right, it puts it in the coding environment, so it's able to build from scratch. Right? It can build websites, it can build articrafts, including slide presentations. So we are going to activate the canvas, right? So this is what we have, and then go ahead and ask it to turn the outline into a slide deck. So we are going to give it a prompt to create a 10 slide presentation from the above outline. Okay, since the content is already there, we can now go straight to suggest how it should deliver. Right, so use visual metaphors and illustrations for each slide. Use a clean, professional white theme. I'm putting this because it defaults to dark mode when it is creating this. So use a clean, professional white themed design. Exportable to Google Slides. Right. So with AI tools, we expect a little bit of randomness in the output. There are times we get it perfectly, but there are times that it gives us some output that we need to add human inputs to make it perfect, right? So let's see what we get with this. So I'm going to commit this. Right, so what it does is that it will create that canvas environment, which is the coding environment. It will continue to create the slides. What is important here is that button in the top right, which allows us to export to slides. Right. In that case, we are not going to get a PDF output, but we'll get an editable 10 slide presentation, which you can edit in Google Slides or even bring to PowerPoint and then edit further. So let's see what we get. Right. So yes, we have our slides. So you can see that we actually have the outline. It used the visual metaphor. Okay. But it's also giving us placeholders for our pictures. Right. So this is our full slide presentation. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we are going to export this to slides. I've already clicked on the icon, so it's creating the slides, right? So once it's done creating the slides, we can open the slides. So this is what we have. Right, so again, we have this editable slides here, okay, with all the charts and visual metaphors as we mentioned. Maybe you want to do some extra work, right? You can edit them directly here in Google Slides, or you can come to File, come to Downloads, and then download to Microsoft PowerPoint, right? So I'm going to do that. So once it's done, I'm going to open this, and this is our 10 slide presentation. Well, it's not complete, but at least it gets most of the basic things done, right? So these are editable texts, right? As you can see. So I can now put my animation transitions. I get a placeholder, right? I get even some suggested images which I can replace. I asked it to give me some key statistics and visual metaphors. It used that, right? So at this point, if you are game, you can go ahead and then apply any extra features that you want. But bottom line is that in just 5 minutes, we're able to create the outline and then get something like this, which at least saves us some time if we want to build on this. So if you are game, you can join us for our upcoming training session. We are not only going to learn how to do presentations, but we'll learn how to analyze data with legacy Excel and Power BI, and then how to use Gemini to fast track some of the key things that we do at the office. You can join us by subscribing to the link I've shared on the screen. Otherwise, please join our Finex AI tribe, where we share insights into some of the key things that are coming up in the AI world. I'll be happy to see what you are able to create. In the meantime, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.
If this video was helpful and you would like to receive more of these videos directly on your WhatsApp, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly. You can also visit our YouTube channel, Finex Skills Hub. All our old videos are here. Please subscribe for notification of new videos or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.